I'm just recording the process. Working with Grandpa Bob again, pulling up linoleum. We had one layer that was a little bit glued. The other layer has been glued everywhere. So, work smarter, not harder, right? This is a hand planer. You have to have your vacuum hooked up to it. The only other thing that worked was our steamer, but this definitely is better. There was definitely some trial and error in this process, and it's really easy to adjust the depth, the cutting depth of my hand planer. Initially, I was taking real thin strips off, thinking that would work well. I didn't want to go too deep, but I quickly found that the best process was to take the top half off first, and then come back and take the rest of it off in the second pass. Now, hand planers aren't that expensive, so just get one. Add another tool to your collection, and then when you have another weird job, hey, it might work.